Hello and welcome back to the Daily Eco. Today we're sharing 10 homemade and eco-friendly methods to eliminate ants from your garden. Number 1. Rice. For this method, you'll need a plastic bottle, cheap rice, and gloves to avoid leaving your scent. If the ants are small, crush the rice. Fill the bottle with rice and place it on the ground in a shady area near the anthill. The starch-rich rice absorbs moisture, killing the fungi that ants feed on. As the rice ferments, it emits gases that either reduce the ant population or make them move away. Number 2. Vinegar. Using vinegar to eliminate ants is simple. Mix 1 pot vinegar with 10 pots water in a spray bottle. Spray directly on the affected plant, but avoid using it on soil where you plan to grow, as it can increase soil acidity, affecting your plant growth. Vinegar is an effective repeller of other insects as well. Number 3. Damasis Earth. This white powder is a popular eco-friendly insecticide. It's inert and non-toxic, killing ants by dehydrating them and cutting their exoskeletons. Sprinkle it on the ground or on plant leaves to protect them from pests and intense sunlight. It also enriches the soil with minerals. Number 4. Cinnamon. To use cinnamon to eliminate ants in your garden, simply sprinkle it along the path they travel and then at the entrance of their nest. It may take a while to work, but eventually it will drive them away. Number 5. Lemon juice. Squeeze the juice from a lemon and spray it around the anthill. Another option is to cut the lemon in half or into slices and rub them on the logs or areas where you want to deter the ants. Number 6. Coffee grounds. Save the coffee grounds every time you brew coffee. Then sprinkle them in areas where you want to keep ants away. Additionally, place the grounds near the entrance of their nest, prompting them to leave. Coffee grounds also act as a natural fertilizer, providing valuable nutrients to the soil. Number 7. Water. This method is quite drastic and should only be used when the nest is far enough from any plants you want to protect from flooding. Prepare at least 1 liter of water and pour it carefully into the area around the nest, flooding it to dismantle the nest. This will force the remaining ants to relocate to another area. Number 4. Yeast. Another effective method to get rid of ants is to prepare a mixture of baking powder with sugar and water near the nest. The sugar will attract the ants and they will carry the mixture inside. There, the sugar and yeast will ferment, producing gases that will ultimately destroy them. Number 9. Garlic infusion. To use garlic to eliminate ants in your garden, follow these steps. Soak a head of garlic in water for 48 hours. Then, boil the garlic in the same water for about 20 minutes. Strain the mixture and apply it with a spray bottle to the affected areas. It's best to do it early in the morning or late in the evening. Number 10. Cork Seat Bed. This method involves placing a cork seed bed or a similar material face down in the area affected by ants. Water it 2 to 3 times a week and the ants will soon colonize it. Once they do, eliminating them using any of the previous methods will be easy, or you can simply relocate them to an area where they won't be a problem. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. As always, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Until next time.